Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to make our accessibility button size bigger in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. As you can see, here is our button. We can make it a little bit bigger. How to do it? We need to go to settings. Then in settings we are looking for accessibility options menu. Then when we scroll all the way down, we have accessibility shortcuts. Next, in the accessibility button option menu, we have size. By default, we have a small version of this button, but we can make it larger. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.